In half a mile, turn right onto Rabbit Springs Road.
What was the name of that road again?
Rabbit Springs. I think you turn at where these trailers are.
Okay. Yeah, looks like it.
Take the next right onto Rabbit Springs Road. Continue on Rabbit Springs Road for 1 mile.
1 mile to Kendall.
Like your first three-pointer. Do you need a high
Okay, I think it's at the end of this, and then we turn left.
your bike to a friend's house. Planning a new trick in
Yes.
the skate park. For every moment, we're in charge. Capri Sun. It's gonna be epic.
This magical holiday morning is brought to you by KFC Distributed for $5 chicken wraps.
This time of year is so magical.
KFC brought back
I like that you can get some footage of how much body roll this thing has.
chicken wrap in addition to the classic and spicy salad.
In half a mile, turn left onto Kendall Road.
Get 2 for only $5. Wow, that is magical. KFC wraps are back. Choose 2 for just $5, like the new mac and cheese chicken wraps. Prices and participation may vary. Limited time offer.
Take the next left onto Kendall Road, then turn right onto Rabbit Springs Road.
They're one of America's largest financial services companies. We get that to solve like business life, retirement, or
Immediate right on Rabbit Springs.
protect.
Okay.
Kind of the jingle guy. Not sure I agree with that. I'm not sure I like
Turn right onto Rabbit Springs Road. Continue on Rabbit Springs Road for 2 miles.
2 miles to 18.
Okay, copy that.
It seems like it leans left.